Alright, so today's video is going to be on the K&N recharger, pretty much just an air filter cleaning kit. As you can see, very dirty in here, so definitely really excited to get this filter cleaned. I can already tell just by looking at the engine bay that it's gonna be dirty. So this is the best way to clean any K&N filter. It comes with the cleaner and then the oil itself, and I'll be showing you step-by-step process, really easy how to do that today. So first things first, obviously gotta get our air filter. Easy, just pop these tabs off, push down, pull up, and then this little box, once you get all these off, we'll just pop open, and there's the air filter. You can already get a little glimpse at it. Pretty dirty. Could be oily, so try not to touch anything too much, you know, just grab it by the sides and pull it out. But yeah, you can see mine is dirty. So gonna pull that out and get it over to the hose. We're now here over on my staircase, and as you can see, I took out the air filter oil and the Power Kleen, which is the cleaner, and that filter is looking dirty. So you can just see all the dirt, the edges, it just gets thickened up. I mean, that might even be wet, you know. I mean, it clearly looks wet. This side's a little bit cleaner. Obviously, that's the side that the clean air will come through. So first thing we're gonna have to do is take this Power Kleen and we're gonna just spray the shit out of this side, flip it over, spray the crap out of it again, and let it soak in there about 10 minutes, you know, maybe 5 where I'm at. It's really hot and dry. We don't want it to dry on there, but we definitely want to get it soaking in. So spray as much cleaner as you want on both sides. Make sure it's getting everywhere, touching the dirt, mixing with that, and we'll give it 5-10 minutes. While we're waiting for that to soak in there, I'm just gonna give this truck a once over and the inside of this filter a once over, because, you know, it's just dirty. If I don't clean this out, it's just gonna be sucking all this back in, and then the filter's gonna get dirty immediately again. So, you know, don't have to be perfect, but I'm gonna try my best to get as much of this out. You know, pretty much bare minimum, let's be honest. But I like to use this tub of towels. Wipes, you know, comes with 90 of them, and it's already pre-soaked, so helps a lot. I mean, I wouldn't say that it scoops it off, but it helps loosen it up. So I like to use this and some paper towels to get the stuff out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, show you guys what that looks like, and then we'll check on the filter. Not perfect, but much better. You know, I wiped kind of the outside a little bit and did the best I could in here, you know. But let's be honest, it's just always going to be dirty. I don't actually really care. I'll just clean my filter again. But did some cleaning with the wipes. It's been, you know, probably 8 minutes, so we'll go take a look at the filter. Back at the filter, you can see the cleaner's been soaking up some of this dirt and getting it all out, and starting to look nice. So coming off on my finger. So they say rinse this with cold water from the clean side out. So that would be whatever side, sorry, it's slippery, whatever side was facing up in your truck, you spray the water from that side down. It pushes the dirt back out the way we want it to go. So I'm gonna take it over to my hose, put it in these here rocks, and just spray it, you know, low pressure water, not high pressure water, low pressure hose water. I'm gonna spray it through here, and then we'll take a look at it, see how much has come off, and decide if we need to spray more cleaner or not. So, yep, this is the before, just absolutely sopping wet, covered in dirt. Take a look at it in a second. Here we are after the first rinse. As you can see, all the red's gone too, the oil came out. I'm not seeing much dirt. I flip it over, and, you know, I'm seeing a little bit of dirt up in here still, and in the bottom, remember, because I didn't spray from this side, because they say not to. So you can see a little bit of dirt left over. It's not too bad, it's pretty clean. I think, you know, I'm a perfectionist, so I'm gonna give this one more time, one more spray, another 10-minute wait. Maybe not 10 minutes, I'll wait a little bit less, 5-minute wait. Not as thick of a spray, you know, because we don't have much left, but just a bunch stuck here, so I'll make sure to get this corner real good. But as you can see, you know, the rest of it is super clean off of just one go, and you guys saw how dirty it was, so pretty impressed so far. We'll get the second coat on and clean it off and show you what it looks like when I'm done with that one. Here we are after the second run with the cleaner. So definitely satisfied with this run. Nothing left. I mean, this right here and stuff is literally just from it being upside down, but totally clean, nothing left anywhere. Very happy with the results. So feels like a brand new filter. Next, we're just gonna sit here, let it dry in the shade. You know, I don't want to get direct sunlight, but just gonna let it dry. And we have to wait till it's completely dry to do the oil. So gonna have to wait a while, honestly, pretty wet. Gonna shake it out a little bit, maybe use a leaf blower to help. But definitely have to wait till it's completely dry before we spray the oil. So that'll be next. So we are back with the filter now, totally dry. That's just some old oil, you know, that you see. But the filter itself is dry, so we can start spraying some oil on it. These little ants are going crazy. They're gonna hate that. But what we wanna do is just spray it on the top, go evenly along all this. And the oil is actually, you know, it comes out red, so it's easy to see where you've missed. So we'll spray it one time, we'll let it dry, probably 5 minutes, check to see what else is going on. After that, see if we need to touch up any spots, and then let it dry for about 20 more minutes and put it back in the truck. So really easy. Like I said, this is red, so we're just gonna spray across here with this and looking for, you know, trying to stay on top of these pleats. Get the edges. All right, so I went a little bit extra there, but just want to make sure I got it covered. We'll come back in 5 minutes and double check if we need to add anything, but you know, I think we did pretty good. Got it pretty soaking wet. Gonna let it go seep in there, soak in there. Check up on it here soon. Here we are, and it's looking nice and red, pretty good. You can see a lot of excess stuff here. I'm just gonna use some napkins or paper towel or something to get this excess oil on the edges up. But after doing this, all you gotta do is put it back inside where it belongs and should be okay. Everything's ready. This is, you know, called the clean and recharge. So looking pretty good. Simple. Should run us for another, I don't know, 25,000 miles, 50,000 miles, depending on how much you're off-roading and how much dust you're getting in there. Thanks for watching.